So guys, today we are going to learn the from keys method of dictionary. So today we learn from keys method. What does this method do? Now this from keys method is used to create a new dictionary from a given iterable, or iterable could be set, tuple, string, list, or any other iterables using which we create a dictionary. Now, iterable is an object that can iterate over. The elements from the iterable will be the keys from the dictionary. Yeah. So, anything that is iterable would be the keys that will serve as a dictionary. So, what we'll do is uh, first try to understand the syntax, then I'll show you what goes where. So, syntax for from keys is dict dot from keys, and then I'll give you the sequence data type or the iterable that I want to go through, and then the values that needs to be updated along with those iterables. So what happens is the sequence is an iterable object which will be used as keys to form the dictionary, and values are optional. Okay, so this is value is optional. It will put the value against each key of the dictionary. Let's try to understand with an example. Yeah. But you need to remember that this will give you a new dictionary altogether. If you, one more thing that you need to understand is uh, if you do not pass any value, then by default, the value is none. Okay, I have already done this. Then its default value is none. So let's try to check with a basic example on form keys. Basic example on from keys method. Yeah. So suppose I have this keys as A, E, I, O, U. Yeah. And I am passing the value as vowel. So this all the alphabets are vowels. Yeah. So this dict dot from keys, I'm passing the keys, which is a set. This is not a dictionary. Let me make you, okay, let me make it a list. It is an iterable. Let me not confuse you with a dictionary. So this is a list, A, E, I, O, U, and then I have a vowel. Now the new dictionary that is being created, new. Yeah. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a new dictionary with dict.from keys, passing the keys as the keys here, which are alphabets of vowel, and the value as vowel. Yeah. So let me run this. You can find there here that a new dictionary is created with each item of the list as the key. Yeah. And a single value is assigned to each key, that is vowel. Suppose I do not pass on any value, I'll just keep this empty. Then as I said, it will give you, it will by default give a none value. So let me see whether it gives a none value. If no value is passed in the from keys method. Let's see what happens. Okay, key is equal to this A, E, I, O, U, vowels. Okay, I do not pass any value. This is optional, right? Let's see what is the output. You can see here, since I have not passed any value here, it is by default taking it as none. Yeah, so it has assigned none to each of the keys that are available within the iterable. That is the list of vowels. Yeah. Same way, since we provided a single value, that is vowel, it has assigned it to all the keys within the dictionary. Now you know that an iterable list is a mutable object. Now it means that it can be modified. Yeah. Now, suppose I want to add anything within the existing list. Yeah. Suppose I pass on a list as value. So give me an example. I'll give you, suppose we pass iterable as a value to the dictionary. Then we need to use append method to update the same. Yes. How do we do that? Let me show you. Suppose I have this vowels again. Rather, let me use something else. Suppose I have this vowels and I pass on a number to it. Suppose I pass 5 to it. Yeah. And I say new dictionary, vowels, dictionary from keys, keys, comma, value. So all this vowels will be assigned a value 5. Let me first remove this so that updating it, what happens? So what it does is it has given me 5 for each vowel within this dictionary. But suppose I want to add one more value to this list, which is assigned to each vowel. How do I do that? So the code that I need to write is value.append. Yeah. So that is values. These are values, right? These are keys. The vowels are the keys. Phi is the value. So I have to say value.append. Yeah. And the value that I want to append. And we'll check what is the final output. Can see 2 is added to the list of value that we have used. So let me run this again. Yeah. So you can see 2 is automatically added or appended to the value since we are appending the value. Yeah. So this is my updated dictionary. Now suppose I want to use string as the keys. Yeah. Suppose using a string as a key and then assign value using from keys method. Yeah. Suppose I have I scan analyze. Yeah. And assign a value Python. Yes. str dict. I'll just create a new dictionary. Yeah. So what I'm trying to do is I'm assigning key a value which is a string. And again, a value also has a string as its value. So what I'm trying to do is I'm create a new dictionary using from keys and assigning the keys and value that this is the key. Yeah. Let me not write the key it as a key, as a name and language. Yeah. So I can analyze is the name and the language that we're studying is Python. So let me write here as well, name and language. Yes. So let's see what happens when you use string as the input for keys. You'll find the string is broken down into individual alphabets and is assigned a key. But you will find that if a particular alphabet is appearing twice, it is automatically removed and a single alphabet is in use. For an example, if you see A is not appearing twice as keys in this entire dictionary, whereas in the string, I had A as an alphabet twice being repeated. Yeah, so it has broken down each alphabet, but seen to it that the duplicate alphabets are removed and the keys are created. As I said earlier, dictionary has unique values, unique keys. Yes, if you remember our previous videos, dictionary has unique keys. So I can analyze when it is broken into alphabets, the duplicate alphabets are automatically removed and rest of the alphabets are automatically assigned as keys. Whereas Python, which is the value, is not broken into individual alphabet, but it is considered as an entire value as a string and it is assigned to each alphabet. Yeah. So there is a key difference between what happens when an iterable is used. Iterable uses each item within that particular assignment, whereas in string, individual alphabets are being broken and used as keys. Yeah. So this is how you can use from keys to create new dictionaries altogether. Hope you like this video and the contents and the examples of this video. Do like, share this video with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do share it along with the colleagues. Do comment. I would like to see some comments on the or inputs on the video, which will help our viewers to upgrade their knowledge and we can refine our content more. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This will help us to send you this as well as new videos that I upload on my channel directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.